Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Week Ahead. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Last week we spoke about three stocks: Dr. Reddy, Infosys, and Hero MotoCorp. Whereas Infosys and Hero MotoCorp gave a big upside. Leaving a link right here so that you can see the previous week's analysis. And right now we're going to be reviewing those stocks. First of all, let's start talking about Nifty itself. Since the breakout here on last Thursday, Nifty has been going up, and on Friday, Nifty created a brand new high since the fall of March. I'll also be providing an analysis on Nifty itself, what may happen this coming week. Do watch the video till the end so that you understand the stocks that I'm going to be looking at for this week as well. So let's talk about Dr. Reddy. Last week I had said that if on closing basis this range is broken, I'm expecting either a breakout or a breakdown. If you see, even this week the stock is range bound. I am going to be considering Dr. Reddy for this week as well. In the second half of the video, I'll be providing an analysis on Dr. Reddy as well. Hero MotoCorp created a double bottom that we spoke about last week, and since the breakout here, I expected the levels that it's going to test are here. And if you see, the stock did go higher than that as well. The last stock we spoke about last week was Infosys. I had also mentioned if there is any news on IT sector, this stock is going to create a new 52-week high. As soon as these levels were broken, the stock started rallying and created a new all-time high itself. Let us talk about the stocks I'm going to be looking at this week. What may happen in Nifty? Let us analyze. I'm going to be providing different kind of scenarios. We need to see which scenario plays out, and based on that, I will be taking my trades. Before getting into the analysis itself, these are all views that I provide, and these are for education purposes so that you understand how I do my analysis. Do learn from it. But do not take any positions based on my views. These are just views and nothing can be sure shot in stock market. Right? I hope you guys understand this. Just try to learn from the analysis. Let's get into the analysis of this week. So first of all, let's start talking about Nifty. What I expect may happen in Nifty. Now on Friday, it's created a fresh high, broken all resistance since the fall of March. Right? Now if you see, we had a resistance here which is broken in the last two trading session itself. I have two expectations from Nifty. If everything is fine and the buyers or bulls take control, there are high chances that Nifty in this coming week can cross even 12,000 levels. But if there is any kind of profit booking or bearishness in the market, I am expecting Nifty to fall from here, and if these levels are broken, expecting Nifty to come down and test these levels here at 11,500 levels. This is just an analysis for this week. There are chances it may go lower than that as well, but I'm going to be on a safer side just to look at 11,500 levels. On the top side, 12,000 levels. The first stock I'm going to be talking about is Ambuja Cements. The first scenario is if these levels are broken, I'm expecting during the week there are high chances that somewhere around 243 to 245 levels also can be reached. But if there is any selling pressure at the top level, I'm expecting, if the closing is below these levels, I'm expecting Ambuja Cements to come to levels here as well. So the stock moved here. If there is any fall from here, I'm expecting these levels on closing basis. The next stock that I'm going to be looking at is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel was a stock that I saw 2 weeks back as well. Why I'm interested in this stock is because it's become range bound. Now it is staying at the lower levels, but there are two analyses that I have for Bharti Airtel. Now if you see here, there is a triangular pattern formation, right? The stock fell down and it started consolidating where there might be a breakout or a breakdown. On closing basis, if either side break is there, my expectation is that if the closing is about these levels here, the stock may see some upside, somewhere around these levels. But if these levels are broken and there is a bad news on Bharti Airtel, I am expecting the stock to fall and test 410 levels. Dr. Reddy is a stock that I've been watching for past 3 weeks. I'm either expecting a breakout or a breakdown which might give some good momentum. Again, if you see, Dr. Reddy is completely range bound. As soon as the range is broken on either side, in 1 day or 2 days, there might be a big upside or a downside. On closing basis, if the stock is closing about these levels, I'm expecting some upside on Dr. Reddy. But on closing basis, If the stock closes below these levels, I'm expecting some downside to these levels here, somewhere around 4,950 levels. Also, we need to be very careful about fake breakouts or breakdowns. If there is a breakout and the closing is back in range, it might still be consolidating. So I'm going to be extremely careful, and I'm going to be monitoring the stock on daily basis as well. The final stock that I want to talk about is Hindustan Petroleum, that is HPCL. There has been a great downside. But here, if you see, there is a double bottom formation. I'm expecting this stock to see some kind of upside till 180 level. If it does sustain that, there might be high chances of 185 levels as well. Second scenario is if these lower levels are broken, there might be continuation in the fall of HPCL. The third scenario is if this tests 180 and does not break the lower levels, I'm expecting HPCL to become range bound and start consolidating. These will be the ranges where HPCL might be consolidating, mostly towards the center on average basis. I hope you guys find this analysis helpful. This is the way I analyze stocks, and you can also follow me on Telegram channel where I keep giving out daily updates as well. Telegram link is given in the description below. Feel free to join the Telegram channel as well. Do look out for Nifty. If there is any kind of fall in Nifty, I am expecting some kind of profit booking and selling at the current levels. Don't forget to subscribe to Mostly Bearish so you don't miss out on any of the updates from my side. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Also do comment the stocks that you are looking at. Thank you so much for watching my videos.